This is the worst motorway weather in the rain. Very noisy, harsh environment for it. My legs are wet already. There's something nice about it too, though. Just being out. We're going right here. You're bleeding. That's not the. That's a disqualification line in there. Gonna defrog hop one of them at least. Oh my god, I hit that bump so fast. Oh, no, it's just a hill. It's just a hill. Yeah, you're past it. You're past it. Oh my god. Nice. Yeah, man. The visibility is so low here now, so. Oh man, the views in my mirror, like you're like carving up with all the trees and the smoke. It looks so good. Foggy. It looks so good. Into that car park again, yeah? Up on the footpath on the left.
Go over there as well.
Over there to the right beside that white red car, yeah? Yeah, go.
You like a motor from Italy, yeah?
What about now?
It's not now.
But did it go bing and stop?
I'll let you know anyway.
Yeah, let me know.
We'll have to go back.